Hey you guys, it's your girl Just Behave and I am back with another video, and today is a great day, you guys. I finally got a hold of some not polished powders. I'm so freaking excited, and let's just go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is the powders that I was able to get. So we're going to go ahead and swatch each color to see how they look, and I can show you guys how it applies and everything, and then I can give my final review on how I feel about the not polished brand overall. And this is not paid promotion. I would not lie to y'all, so I'm gonna tell you how I really feel about it or whatever. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video so I can show you guys what I got. This color is Yellow Mamba. And that is gorgeous. Okay, so this is the color M106, Kiss and Teal. Y'all, this freaking not polished applies beautifully. Like, I love it. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this powder. It just applies so well for someone like me who has like bead issues. I feel like if you have problems with applying your beads or whatever it is, this powder is like your go-to. It's gonna be so easy to manipulate, so easy to move. Now this is a definition of some butter. Y'all, I had to buy just a few to see if I liked it enough to purchase more. And y'all, I'm about to go in on some not polished, cause baby, do y'all see that? Beautiful. But do y'all see that? She glows. So I'm definitely gonna purchase more of this color, and it's called Night Crawlers. Alright, you guys, so the next color is Hot Lime Bling. I feel like this is a really cute green. Y'all, I be needing these type of greens for ombres or just pure like vibrant nail sets. So I'm happy I got this. And the one that I had previously was separating real bad. And y'all, I love this because it moves like butter. Like, I don't even have to fight with it. This is the green, so beautiful, yes. So we're gonna move on to the other things that I purchased. I bought this matted polish. I haven't tried it out yet, but I've heard like a lot of positive things about the not polished polish, so I decided to get it. And this is how it looks. So this is how it looks, you guys. And I haven't tried it out yet, but we can go ahead and try it. And y'all, this is the next thing that I bought, and it's top coat gloss. When I tell y'all shiny, it just, I love it. Like, this is probably my favorite top coat right now. Like, I've been using it like crazy, and I just got it. The next thing that I purchased are the nail tips, and you guys, I love these nail tips. Like, they're absolutely amazing. I'm gonna purchase more of them. I have nail tips from other, you know, companies, but I must say, like, this is like really precise. The other nail tips from the other brand that I have to kind of shape them to get them, like, you know, as straight as possible on both sides, or like an even look on both sides. But with this, you guys, it's a perfect nail tip. Like, it doesn't need, it doesn't look wonky, it doesn't bend on one side, it doesn't curve on one side. Both sides are completely the same. The only thing that I have to say about it is, like, the numbers on here are really freaking small. Like, you can barely see it, but like, yeah, you see the number? You can't even see it, y'all, but the number is real small on here. Real small. But that's the only thing that I have to say about it. Other than that, I love the tips. So I'm gonna buy like probably like 3 more packs of these, because you can't go wrong with the nail tip like this. You can do stiletto easily or coffin like really easily with these tips. I highly recommend these. And last but not least, I purchased a size 16 brush from them. And this is how the brush looks. And I have a video with it next to the table, or whatever the case, on the table. And this is how the brush looks, or whatever the case may be. Really thick, really big. And it's really lightweight, so I feel like I'm gonna really enjoy using this brush. I haven't used it yet, but I just decided to get a size 16 because it takes me forever. I have a number 10 brush from C&D and a number 12 brush from Nail Supply Glamour, and I decided to get a number 16 brush to go bigger. That way I can cap my encapsulations faster, or just do one color with, like, you know, one bead. So I'm definitely going to be going over this with you guys, and the pinching process and all of that, so that you guys can like see, you know, how this goes, because I'm kind of nervous. I'm used to using like a really small brush, but in nails you gotta push yourself and put your big girl pants on and just do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. But that concludes my not polished haul, and overall I'm very satisfied with everything that I purchased. I'm gonna do some more review on like the nail tips and the brushes, and do some videos on those so that you guys know how it's going for me. But as for the powders, 10 out of 10. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I have a different range. Y'all know, like, I have eye gel, I have glitter bills. I have a different variety, like a lot of different varieties of powders. And I must say that not polished is like probably on top, like top 3 right now, because the colors are beautiful. They apply like butter, very soft, very nice, very pigmented. It doesn't give me any separation problems. So I'm definitely going to invest in some more not polished powders. And yeah, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys think that I should review any other company, comment it down below, and I will definitely get to it and try to see if I can get some products from them. But thank you guys so much for watching my video, and see you guys next time.